USA approves sale of NH-60R Seahawk helicopters to Norway. USA approves $1 billion, $166 million in military sales to Norway. The USA State Department has approved a total of $1 billion, $166 million in military sales to Norway, including $1 billion for NH-60R helicopters and $166 million for C-130 aircraft maintenance. In a written statement, the U.S. Defense Security Cooperation Agency said, "The State Department has decided to approve the sale of NH-60R utility helicopters and related equipment to Norway with an estimated value of $1 billion. The statement, which said that a notification of the approval of the sale had been sent to Congress, noted that the sale package included 6 NH-60R helicopters, 15 T-700 GE-401C engines, 9 Link 16 multifunctional information distribution system, joint tactical radio terminals, 18 GPS PPS systems, and related support equipment." Another statement from the agency said an additional sale of $166 million had been approved to keep the C-130J aircraft in Norway's inventory until 2028. The State Department's approval of arms sales only means that the U.S. administration has no objections to the sale. If the U.S. Congress does not object to the department's decision within 15 days for NATO members and 30 working days for non-NATO countries, the administration begins negotiations with the approved country on the contents of the sales package and procurement procedures. NH-60R Seahawk specifications. The NH-60R Seahawk helicopter is produced by Lockheed Martin via its subsidiary Sikorsky and entered service with the U.S. Navy in late 2005. IOC 2010 for FOC. Helicopter mission capabilities. Anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare, developed primarily for these two missions. Search and rescue, SAR. Ship logistics support by transporting various containers, crates, etc. Between ships via vertical refueling, VERTREP. Personnel transport, medical evacuations, medevac. Technical data, size, 19.76 meters long, 5.2 meters high. Maximum mass, 10.7 tons. Propulsion, 2 General Electric T-700 GE-401 engines. Maximum speed, 180 knots, that is 333 kilometers per h. Range, 245 nautical miles, that is 453.7 kilometers. The NH-60R Seahawk helicopter provides transformational anti-submarine warfare, ASW, and anti-surface warfare, ASUW, capabilities to navies around the world. Designed and built to U.S. Navy specifications, the Romeo aircraft is rugged, powerful, and reliable. Whether operating from shore or ship, NH-60R operators can confidently execute the mission and return home safely. The NH-60R aircraft is built on 4 decades of Seahawk experience and knowledge. Advanced digital sensors include multi-mode radar, electronic support measure system, electro-optical/infrared camera, data links, aircraft survivability systems, dipping sonar, and sonobuoys. The fully integrated mission system processes sensor data to provide a complete situational picture of the surface and subsurface environment. Armed with actionable intelligence, the crew can track, target, and engage ships or submarines effectively and efficiently. Weapons include torpedoes, air-to-surface missiles and rockets, and crew-operated guns. Continuous aircraft and sensor upgrades and a world-class sustainment program are key to the NH-60R's unparalleled mission capability, availability, and readiness. Lockheed Martin's performance-based logistics program for the U.S. Navy's NH-60R helicopters enables 95% readiness and availability, a rate unmatched by any other maritime helicopter. The U.S. Navy's NH-60R roadmap will maintain the Romeo's operational edge through 2045 and beyond. Norway canceled the purchase of NH-90 helicopters last year. Norway had decided not to buy the helicopters, for which it had paid $522 million, and demanded a refund. The Norwegian government announced on the 10th of June that it had canceled the contract for the NH-90 helicopters. The statement said that the manufacturer, NH Industries Helicopter Industries, NHI, would be asked to refund the $522 million paid under the contract. Speaking at the press conference, Norwegian Defense Minister Bjorn Arild Gram said, "Unfortunately, our technicians have concluded that no matter how many hours we work and how many parts we order, the NH-90 will never meet the requirements of the Norwegian Armed Forces." Based on the joint recommendation of the Norwegian Armed Forces, the relevant ministries and agencies, the Norwegian government has reversed the decision to include the NH-90 helicopter in the inventory and authorized the Norwegian Defense Materiel Administration to terminate the contract. Following the defense minister's announcement, the Norwegian Defense Materiel Agency notified NH Industries Helicopter Industries, NHI, the manufacturer of the NH-90, that it was terminating the contract in full and would seek a full refund of all payments and assets received by both parties. The agency said it would begin preparations to return the helicopters, spare parts, and equipment it had received. It also said it would seek a refund of the $522 million it had paid under the contract, in addition to interest and other costs.